Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafli Maulana Ramadan. In this time, I want to present about my RPP. That is my goal. Rencana pelaksanaan pembelajaran mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris kelas 7 semester ganjil. Alokasi waktu 2 kali 40 menit. First, I have a kompetensi inti. There are 4. First is menghargai dan menghayati ajaran agama yang dianutnya. Second, menunjukkan perilaku jujur, disiplin, tanggung jawab, peduli, santun, percaya diri dalam berinteraksi dengan lingkungan sosial dan alam. 3. Memahami dan menggunakan bahasa Inggris secara efektif, lisan dan tulisan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Yang keempat, mampu membaca, memahami, dan merespon secara kritis berbagai teks lisan dan tulisan dalam bahasa Inggris yang relevan dengan lingkungan siswa. Selanjutnya, I have kompetensi dasar dan indikator pencapaian kompetensi. You can look at this table. There are 2, cognitive and psychomotoric. One of all is menyusun dialog sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi tentang hobi dan aktivitas. And then in my teaching, I want to teach about dialogue to my student. And I have objective learning objective. There are 4. First is melalui metode discovery learning dan pendekatan saintifik, peserta didik diharapkan mampu menganalisis teks dan dialog yang berkaitan dengan hobi dan aktivitas untuk meningkatkan kemampuan mereka membaca. Yang kedua, menilai dan menggunakan struktur kalimat yang benar dalam konteks yang tepat untuk mengasah kemampuan berbicara. Yang ketiga, merancang presentasi dan teks deskriptif yang efektif dan kreatif yang mendukung pengembangan kemampuan menulis. Yang keempat, menyusun dan memahami informasi dari berbagai sumber audio untuk memperkuat kemampuan mendengarkan. Next, A. Materi pembelajaran. In this RPP, I prepare for material. There are 4 reading, speaking, writing, and listening. First is reading for the topic hobbies and activities. There have objective. First is memahami kosakata dan frasa dasar tentang hobi dan aktivitas, memahami kalimat dan paragraf sederhana tentang hobi dan aktivitas, meningkatkan kemampuan membaca dengan pemahaman. I have 2 texts. First is about exercise, my hobby, playing football. Next, text 2 is music. Okay. Next is speaking. For the topic is same, is hobby and activities. There are 2 students. There are in the situation they are talking about their hobbies in their school. For my student, then I have give the text or script I want to my student for demonstration for the dialogue. In this time, I use AI for short the time. Next is writing. I have a objective. There are meningkatkan kemampuan menulis kalimat dan paragraf sederhana dalam bahasa Inggris. mengembangkan kemampuan menulis kreatif, mendorong siswa untuk mengekspresikan diri mereka dalam bahasa Inggris. I give example, paragraf pendek like this: my name, I am, that's all. My best friend name is blah blah blah, he or she is blah blah blah, yes all. Okay, for listening, I choose YouTube for my audio and video because it's easy to use and free. Okay, next, after my student listen audio I have give, there must be to answer the question based on audio. Okay, next to metode pembelajaran. First is pendekatan. I use pendekatan komunikatif yang dipakai dengan teknologi digital. Model blended learning yang menggabungkan pembelajaran tatap muka dengan pembelajaran online untuk memberikan fleksibilitas dan mendukung gaya belajar yang beragam. Next to metode, I have 4 method for this time. First, role playing digital. Second, ATM. For 3, penugasan online with Google Classroom or quizzes, tanya jawab interaktif. Nah, this is I use AI like small talk to me. Okay, next is teknologi I use AI. I forget to change this. I don't use TalkPal. I use Smalltalk to me. And platform pembelajaran interaktif like Memrise, because I have written about Memrise in my article and I like use Memrise. Okay, next, media pembelajaran, learning media. I have 8. First is laptop or computer, 2 projector interactive, 3 smartphone. For application about learning English language learning like Memrise. Platform pembelajaran manajemen like Google Classroom and quizzes for evaluation, Google Classroom for tasks. Speaker for the audio, software presentasi for authentic material. Video and media interaktif, I use YouTube. Sumber pembelajaran, I choose 3 books. First, English for Junior High School from Jayana, Espraik and Lindsteren. English for Level 1 course book, Level 1 beginner, cutting edge, elementary. Okay, next to langkah-langkah pembelajaran. First, greeting 5 minutes, brainstorming 5 minutes. Okay, you can read. Reading 22nd minute, speaking 10 minutes, listening 5 minutes, writing 10 minutes. Di sini saya menekankan speaking sebagai titik berat dan menggunakan waktu yang lama. Sini saya menggunakan Smalltalk to me and deliver summarize 5 minutes, evaluation quiz 10 minutes. I use quizzes because easy. Okay. Next to penilaian pembelajaran remedial dan pengayaan. Teknik penilaian, sikap observation, pengetahuan penugasan, keterampilan praktik. Okay, this is my standard penilaian. You can read. You can pause this video if you want to read the text. Okay. Next, I want to give the example of using Smalltalk to me, Memrise, and quizzes. Check this out.
Quizzes helps teachers save time. Here's how it works.
Okay,
First, create a new quiz, or mix and match millions of teacher-created questions.
I use quizzes.
Next, students
because
play at their own pace,
free
in class
and
or at
easy to
home.
use.
Every
You
learner
can see
competes
the
to improve,
video.
and retakes are a sent. While students play, Quizzes handles the grading. Instantly, you see what each student has mastered,
application
know where they can improve, and share their
can
progress with
use
tools like
in
Google Classroom.
home
Find a
or
quiz
class.
now. It's free.
Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Tries. I'm back with another video.
Next,
and in
second
today's
application
video, I'm
is
going to teach you
Memrise.
How to use Memrise app. For that,
This
first of
I
all, open
use
up your
video
Memrise
from
app.
other because
Memrise is a language learning app which is very convenient and simple to use. It mainly
Sam,
focuses on studying
like this,
language online.
I
You can
have
learn up to
used
16 languages
Memrise.
in this app. To select
But
the language you
in
want
this
to learn,
video,
tap on top
she
left,
use for
and
Korean,
then
I
tap
use
on
for
learn another
English.
language.
There are
After that, select the
many
language you want to learn.
language you can
Flashcards
learn,
is the most important
and
feature
this is
of
free.
Memrise.
But if you want full
use
course,
the
you can pay.
display, which is on bottom right.
And
This
Memrise
is the object
is
recognition feature, which will
easy
allow
to
you
use
use the
and
camera to scan the world
many
around you
function
and remember how things are named in the
like
language
this.
you're learning. By tapping on capture object, this will add the photo to your library, which will also include the translation and pronunciation for the captured image.
You can see
You can also learn new words by tapping on learn.
in this Memrise you can learn for the audio and video like this.
Tapping test, typing test, and listening test.
So this is so fun for the junior high school.
To unlock full course and use more
I think.
feature, you need to subscribe to Memrise Pro. This is how you use Memrise app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like.
Meet Smalltalk, your AI
Plus,
English
for
speaking
the
coach. Learning
last
English
application,
is as easy as recording
Small
your
Talk to
speech.
me.
Just start speaking.
I use
Smalltalk
this for
will do the
speaking
rest. Do you want to estimate
class.
your English level or figure out your strengths and work on weaknesses? Improve your vocabulary
Because,
and avoid grammar mistakes. And much more. With Smalltalk, all you
I
need is
don't,
your voice to unlock the full potential of your English skills. Explore our extensive
find,
library of learning materials with tips from
application like
experienced
this.
English teachers, including
If you
dozens of
have
speaking courses and
recommendation
exercises
for
like IELTS
speaking
and
application,
Smalltalk tests to learn your level.
you can
Watch your progress
comment
and see how your skills improve over time. Speak
can
confidently,
comment
learn effortlessly with Smalltalk. Now
and
with
give
ChatGPT
suggestion.
feedback.
Anticipated and contingent. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.